Ladies and gentlemen, as we proceed to give you what you need, allow me to reintroduce myself. My name is Cody, and today we are here to unbox a pair of sneakers. Today we are looking at the Air Max 90 in the Hyper Grape colorway. To be totally and completely honest, I accidentally bought these shoes. I was peeking around on StockX one night and I put a really low bid on these. I wasn't expecting to get them at all, but then like a week later somebody actually picked up my bid. These shoes originally came out in February. It's the 30-year anniversary of the Air Max 90, so Nike has been blessing us with a ton of really cool colorways for this shoe. This purple colorway happens to be my favorite. I was surprised with how thin the actual shoe box was. I was definitely hoping for a normal sized box, but I was happy that the shoes came with a purple hang tag. I have a purple backpack, so I'll definitely go ahead and put that purple hang tag on my purple backpack. The color blocking is exactly like the OG infrared colorway, except the red is replaced with the vibrant purple. I'm a purple guy. I think purple is an awesome color to rock casually. I think it pops with the purple, but it's not too loud. It's not like a bright orange or a yellow or something. It's easy to rock, but also it provides that color pop that gets people's attention. The official color breakdown on the box starts with white, which we see on top of the toe box, the laces, the tongue, and the midsole of the sneakers. Particle gray, which we see around the front of the toe box, down the sides of the shoe, as well as the base of the laces. And then the swoosh is a slightly darker gray, which helps it stand out a little bit more. Purple hits can be seen on the Nike branding on the tongue and the heel, the Air Max branding on the side, surrounding the Air Max unit, and on the insole and outsole of the shoe. Finally, we have hits of black on the top lace holders, down the sides of the shoe, the classic Nike Air logo on the heel, and the bottom of the shoe. Overall, the quality I would say is pretty standard for an Air Max. You have all standard materials, you have the mesh, and you have the suede. They are very comfortable though. I would recommend going true to size if you're looking to pick up a pair for yourself. I want to know what you think of these shoes. Let me know in the comment section down below. Did you pick them up? Are you waiting on a different colorway to drop? Is there another shoe entirely you're waiting to pick up? Have your quarantine stimulus checks hit yet? If so, are you spending those on sneakers? Whatever you want to say, let me know down below. But I'd like to thank you for coming out to this video, and I hope to see you for the next one.